Hello children, welcome to your English class. We are continuing with active voice and passive voice. A humble request from my side. Those who have not watched the previous videos of active voice and passive voice, I recommend you please watch those videos and then come to this class. Okay? 14th question. The employees brought up this issue during the meeting. Employees அப்படினா வேலை செய்றவங்க brought up this issue during the meeting. மீட்டிங் நடக்கும்போது இந்த பிரச்சனையை கொண்டு வந்தாங்க. So the employees subject, brought up verb, this issue object. So we'll bring the object as the subject. So please see down. This issue dash by the employees during the meeting. Subject is shown here as object. The employees அப்படிங்கிற subject வந்து by agent கப்ரமா objectா மாறியாச்சு. This issue dash by the employees during the meeting. Now brought. How do you change brought? Brought verb to simple past. How can you change simple past in passive voice? Was or were plus verb 3. Now look at the subject in the answer. This issue singular. So this issue was plus verb 3. Because if it is plural, you put were plus verb 3. If it is singular, you will put was plus verb 3. This issue was brought up by the employees during the meeting. Answer option C was brought up. 15th question. The professor told him not to talk in the class. The professor told him. The professor subject. Told verb 2. Him object. Answer to the question what or whom is called the object. So the professor told whom? The professor told him. So him is the object. Bring that object as the subject. So him comes to the subject place. It will become he. He dash. The subject becomes the object. So the professor question, in question the professor subject. So in answer it has come to the object place. By the professor. He subject, he dash by the professor not to talk in the class. Now we have to put the verb. The professor told him. Told is the verb in the question. Told is the verb in the question. This is past tense. The form for changing past tense into passive voice. Was or were plus verb 3. So he singular. He was told by the professor not to talk in the class. You people might be thinking, ma'am, you told always put by agent at last. Actually, the standard form is to put by agent at the last. But here, there is nothing wrong if you put in the middle. It's not wrong. In question, it is printed in the middle, so we can follow that. The professor told him. The professor subject. Told verb, him object. Now, him becomes the subject here, he. The professor becomes the object by the professor. Now, what is left? Told. Verb 2 is left. Was or were plus verb 3. So, he was told by the professor not to talk in the class. Rest of the sentence, the parts other than subject, verb and object, you need not make any changes to them. So answer option A. 16th one. They say that women are smarter than men. They say that women are smarter than men. Actually, women are smarter than men. Here they have started with women. Women dash to be smarter than men. See, here they subject, say verb, that object. They say that. They say what? See, please listen, children. Listen here. They subject. They subject. Say verb. They say what? They say that. That is the object. So under that, அவங்க என்ன சொன்னாங்க? அவங்க சொன்னது தான் இங்க கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Women are smarter than men. Women are smarter than men. So this object comes to the first part. They say that women dash to be smarter than men. Women dash to be smarter than men. Women are said. This say verb here comes. Say simple present. How do you change simple present to passive voice? Is or are plus verb 3. So women plural. So are said. Write the rest part of the sentence. Women are said to be smarter than men. By them is optional. You put or not. It's optional. Actually, by them ன்னு கடைசியா வந்திருந்திருக்கலாம். But அவங்க கொடுக்கல. It's optional. No issues. So, in the are said அப்படிங்கிறது, it is actually the change of this verb say. We have written say as are said. Women are said to be smarter than men. Option B. 17th one. She would have told you about the deal. She would have told you. She subject. Would have told verb. You object. So you comes here. You. This is future perfect. So you would have been told by her about the deal. Would have told, future perfect. How do you change future perfect? Will or shall or would or should or whatever it may be. Have plus been plus verb 3. So you would have been told by her about the deal. Would have been told. Option A is the answer. 18th question. The fire has destroyed the house. The fire subject. The fire subject has destroyed verb the house object. The fire subject has destroyed verb. This is subject, verb, and this is object. So object becomes the subject here. The house has destroyed is what? Present perfect tense. What is the change for present perfect tense? In passive voice, has or have been plus verb 3. The house has been destroyed by the fire. Subject comes to the last. So has been destroyed. Where is the option? Option C. Okay. 19th question. She will reject this offer. She subject. She subject. Will reject verb. This offer object. She will reject what? This offer. Answer to the question what or whom. So we bring this offer as the subject. Object becomes the subject. This offer. This is simple future. What is the change for simple future in passive form? Will or shall plus be plus verb 3. This offer will be rejected by her. This offer will be rejected by her. See, we have to choose will be, option A. Okay, actually I am saying the answer. After saying the answer only, I am searching for the options. Listen to the videos well. Actually, in today's class, you will not get the same worksheet. Video is different from worksheet. So you listen to the video properly and then go to your worksheet. Otherwise, you may not be able to do the worksheet. 20th question. We could buy these houses. We, subject. Could buy, verb. These houses, object. So, object becomes the subject. These houses. Could buy is actually future form. Could buy. About future, what is the change in passive? Will or shall or could or would or should or whatever it may be. Be plus verb 3. So these houses could be bought. Verb 3 of buy is bought. These houses could be bought by us. Option C. These houses could be bought by us. இந்த வீடுகள் எங்கனால வாங்க முடியும். We could buy these houses. These houses could be bought by us. Option C is the correct answer. Now, fill in the blanks with suitable active or passive verb forms using the correct options. 21. See, here we are going to fill in the blanks, okay? Using this active voice, passive voice rule, we will fill the blanks. 21. This house dash in 1970 by my grandmother. So actually this is in passive voice. You can see by my grandmother. So passive voice, the house actually built in which year? 1970. It is past tense. So this house singular and it is past tense. So singular past in passive form. Was plus verb 3. So this house was built in 1970 by my grandmother. Don't write built. That is wrong because this is in passive form. Built is active form. We cannot choose where built because this house singular. So you can't choose where built. This house singular. So we can choose was built. Has built is also wrong option. Has built is present perfect. You can't use present perfect to indicate a past action. Or past action சொல்றதுக்கு நம்ம present perfect எடுத்துக்க மாட்டோம். If you have not watched grammar videos, tenses, tags, if clause, if you have not watched the previous videos, you will find it very difficult to understand this. So I recommend watch the previous videos. By heart the tense forms, then only it will be easy for you to catch. 22. The robbers dash by the police. Robbers kollakaranga plural. The robbers plural dash by the police. We can see have arrested. Actually in the by the police shows it is passive form. Passive form அப்படிங்கும்போது have arrested is present perfect active form. Have been arrested. Yes. Present perfect passive form. Was arrested we cannot write here because robbers plural. If it is plural you can't use was. Had arrested is past perfect. We can't use past perfect active form here because by the police shows it is passive form. So ஒரு passive formல இருக்கக்கூடிய sentence நீங்க present perfect past perfect active formல fill பண்ண முடியாது. Robbers plural, so you can't fill with was arrested. So the correct option is option B. The robbers have been arrested by the police. 23. We dash for the examinations. No by agent. Can you see that? So this sentence is active form. This sentence is an active form. We dash for the examinations. We have preparing wrong format. If you are writing present perfect continuous, there must be been. Have been preparing irundirukanum. This is wrong format. Had preparing is also wrong format. We are preparing for the examinations. Has been preparing I cannot take because we plural. With plural I can't use has. So I reject this option. Had preparing format is wrong. Had been preparing is the correct format. Have preparing format is wrong. Have been preparing is the correct format. So the correct answer is option B, present continuous tense. We are preparing for the examinations. Question number 24. It dash since yesterday. Since is the clue word for present perfect continuous tense. நேத்திலிருந்து மழை பெஞ்சிட்டு இருக்கு. Since and point of time, yesterday. Since, clue word for present perfect continuous, so we use it. Has been raining because it's singular. With singular you put has. It has been raining since yesterday. Also this sentence is an active form, active voice. 25. The students dash to submit their reports by the end of this week. Students, plural. The students dash to submit their reports by the end of this week. இந்த வாரம் முடிவுக்குள்ள students வந்து reports submit பண்ணணும். So, let us go through the options. Option A, have been asked. Students கேட்கப்பட்டார்கள். Have been asked. The students are asked. Has asked, are asking. See, by the end of this week shows future perfect tense or perfect tense. Okay? By the end of this week. That you can use either future perfect tense or a perfect tense. So the correct answer is the students have been asked to submit their reports by the end of this week. Option, 26th question. She dash for a while. For, period of time. A while, period of time. So present perfect continuous tense. She has been ailing for a while. She has been ailing for a while. A small homework to you. You go search and find out the meaning for the word ailing. இப்போ நான் சொல்லி தந்துருவேன். I can teach you what is ailing. But I'll not do that. You refer dictionary. You go to Google and search what is the meaning of ailing. Okay. Has been ailing, present perfect continuous. Why are we using present perfect continuous? Because for plus period of time. For is a clue word for present perfect continuous. She has been ailing for a while. 27. The students dash by the teacher for stealing in the class. Passive sentence. The students dash by the teacher for stealing in the class. Classல திருடனதுக்காக டீச்சர் கிட்ட இருந்து பனிஷ்மென்ட் வாங்குனாங்க. ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் டீச்சர்ஸால பனிஷ் செய்யப்பட்டாங்க. Students plural. Plural, so I cannot use has because has we use it with singular. Where, yes, plural na. Where, past continuous tense, passive form. Where plus being plus verb 3, punished. Where being punished. We should not take where being punished. Been never comes with was or were. Been always comes with the has, have, had. So this is wrong format. Are punished. The students, actually here the time indication is not given. It is not shown whether it happened yesterday or today or something like that. So actually we can use both these answers, B and D. Actually, both B and D are correct in this question. The students were being punished by the teacher for stealing in the class, or the students are punished by the teacher for stealing in the class. This is simple present. Oh, this is simple present. Simple present happens. Yes, wait children. Simple present, regular action. So we need not write. Are punished is passive form of simple present. So this also not the answer. So this thing happened. In the vishayam mudinju pochu. This has been over. So the students were being punished by the teacher for stealing in the class. I am rejecting this option. You know why? Because are punished is the passive form of simple present. And you know the rule of simple present. We use simple present to show regular action. So this is not a regular action. This action just happened. That's all. So the correct answer is the students were being punished by the teacher for stealing in the class. 28. As the patient could not walk, he dashed home in a wheelchair. As the patient could not walk, patient nala nadakka mudiyala, he dashed home in the wheelchair. Avana veetukku eppadi kootiittu vandanga wheelchair la. Has carried wrong format, because has could have been varanum. Has being carried wrong format. Being never comes with has, have, had. Was carrying is also wrong format because this is passive form. He dashed home in wheelchair. Passive form la was carrying varadu. He was carried home in a wheelchair. Option C is the correct answer. As the patient could not walk, he was carried home in a wheelchair. 29. The injured dashed to the hospital. The injured dashed to the hospital. Actually, this we have to use passive form. Where taking is wrong. Passive form la where taking kadayadu. Where being taken da irukku. Was taking is not there in passive form. Was being taken. Have taken is also not there in passive form. Have been taken. So were taken. This shows simple past. The injured were taken to the hospital. Kayamuttror hospitalukku eduthu sellappattargal. So the injured were taken to the hospital. 30. The inmates of the juvenile home. Juvenile home means Kolandegal Kapagam. The inmates of the juvenile home dash well by their caretakers. This is passive form. So passive form were not being treated. The inmates of juvenile home. Juvenile home kulla vasikkiravanga and the kolandaingala olunga paathukka maattikkranga. Where it is plural, so were not being treated. We will just analyze the other option. Were not treating. This is wrong format because in passive form you don't write were not treating. This is active form of past continuous tense. Have not being treated. Never. Being never comes with have. Was not being treated. Inmates of juvenile home. Plural. So we can't use was. So the correct answer is option A. The inmates of juvenile home. Plural. Were not being treated well by their caretakers. Please do write video classwork here and send to me. Along with this, also write and send to me your worksheets. Thanks for listening.